today I'm gonna show you how to remove the stock air filter on the Seat Altea 2-liter diesel. This engine is the same on many VW models and Skoda models, even Audis. So here we are taking the old air filter out of the airbox, and it's kind of dirty. I've had it on for about 15,000 miles. It should have been replaced anyway, but this time I decided to replace it with the performance RAMAIR filter. As you can see, there is many leaves inside the airbox. Make sure you take all of it out, because that will get probably jammed in the new air filter. So here we go, all of it nearly out. There's still a bit there, but yeah, let's move on. Here we go. We have the box that the air filter came in. As you can see, it appears to be it's really thin compared to the original air filter, and I'm trying here to take it out the bag without touching it, so I don't get my hands dirty and the filter dirty with all the engine grease and stuff. So it seems to fit perfectly, and here we go. The airbox is, I'm gonna screw it back on, and let's hear how it sounds. So I listened to the recording over and over again, and I don't think there is much sound difference, but I can tell you when I took the car out on a drive, especially on the higher RPMs, on like third gear, you can hear more whoosh, and the car accelerates a bit faster. So I think there is a benefit to it, but it's not too significant. But there you have it. Thank you for watching.